You want to kill Senator?
Ladies and gentlemen, where are the Gusii elders? Where are the Gusii elders? Who is even in charge of that kind of a group? Kurugesa una tuwala kukina, mo special kere babo ngeli balenge in leadership. Tokwa ne babo obure. Ne babo nyambati kere balenge in leadership. Tutuwala bangwana bali balengo babo kyuma. Kero kugo bagambi buna abo bahachire within a community. Itu akamnyukire kuchikora bagambi. Abangina bakago kiru chikobara. Nene kwanza na batabachi besa. Bakamnyukire kora bagambi babo. Nowadays, abagambi basukwizi bagotara n'ikigunzi. Omugusii, omongina, omugaka. Ogenda kuchikora bagambi. Ida bwegwa besa osugutayigwa. Kigunzi kyabaita. Kwanyora mugaso iguru. Onye mashabiki be timu gete. Yaumerana neyende. Esegi yachaka. Bosongo galinga kigeto mungwana mana abwatitu. Just after 2022 general elections. Aho kyukuru piki goro. Kagwa kwegento mutuguru. Hagakwa. Hagatige familia nge. Mungwana piki yakwende. Nga esegi yako support ye kiongozi gete. Bona abande mbamutagiti bakamwaka agakwa abantu beje pigi. Ladies and gentlemen, boniga nango korachi video as we speak criticizing poor governance and staff. Tingo tachagusi ntale anywhere because chigunzi njire busongo chire best story, especially kaya korachi video about Simbarati. Chigunzi chire kirasi this time around. Chere powers Gusii cheitaba Gusii. Kerutu abwate amandamano already arangiriti. Kiabetenga chinkoro cha tumirukuru South Mukirango. Echinda actually chi abwate chinsara chiroka ine kabisa. Akoruto mu Gusii ensara. Kabisa monta ay kumbete abwate tensara akoruto mu Gusii. Ngataba ntu kwana nga obogima bwakinire. The cost of living nerigoro.
Subuhi tukiwa na amani, tumetulia pale tumetulia, tukiwa na maandamano yetu kwa amani, bila kuchokoza mtu yeyote. Ghafla binivu tumepata majambazi wamekuja na probox 2 za white na rauko moja ya black, wakiwa na gadget, mapanga, mishale, ili mishale. Wamekata kijana mmoja mkono akobosongo hospital saizi.
Even though viongozi be kero this time around. Youth leadership, it has been a disappointment. It has been a disappointment. And I'm going to do an extensive video about Yabagambi Gusii this time around, especially Yababake. Ladies and gentlemen, Chigun Chikoletwa kuita abantu. That's what I'm saying. Simbarati kiralo gochoro last time. Uwaka monyore kirasa ali n'abantu agukwana ni agotereri w'abantu bagotenga. But ibune rutubo gambiga tatugiti andonse. Asa kuruka abamuragiti bara around him tuguikange. Apart from that, onye bakumaitenga you are not someone who can support uguitwa. You saw last time onyonkana achete Gusii ko oversight. Bieko monyene chigunzi cha mujirete.
When we came in as a new team, the amount of money we were collecting was about 230, 400. We were supposed to reach 1.2 billion after 1 year. These are the records which have been given by the Auditor General and Controller Budget. Right now we are stuck at 400. We know own source money is being stolen. We know money is being stolen from the hospital. We know that everything.
chikuita abantu bae obuna bobo gambi bwachire gusi toma kwebori na ki kera tokonyora this type of leadership ngaichi elders chire chikaransia bagambi abanse babatebinga no kusiga ebimpia nyoko kolekana. Where are the elders? Elder ki achire ateruri osoro gosesi mbarati nga kusiga agunzi chikora tik nchitakeri. Where are the elders to speak about these things? Ladies and gentlemen, boni gaba gambi bakurwana matanga.
As a nation, to elect a president who is a liar, a president who has messed up our education, a president who
mwara kabisa Japhet Osoro akura Anthony Kibagende Likondo nendera murama tamuramiti agotogie kiongozi kiae ka criticize yo tatakiti akamura Likondo kabisa itakumaita bado of course nchi alengo cha tete weta na Anthony Kibagende mbuga ambikio obuto gutwara gusi at this point ngatukwala oyo ngatukwala mwenzako abwa tedi Likondo akwa ne gintatai ngankole. Where are the elders by can sense ba castigate this kind of moves ba angelia bagambia babere batuali ikina because bon umwana nchi kawaida nga yago chikokonyera mangana naye. Ladies and gentlemen, to atuali in some occasions pia evyongozi binde bikurwaniwo omuntu akuru mwaye ogenda gwake campaign kenda gwake campaign onyora bamura betimu liende pacha kumuita tigari chiatwa ebirole abantu baumia abandi bakwa evindi byangi yagocha gusi just 2022 recently 2022 nza boniga twatwale Dr. King Fred Matiang'i gocha kubuli bugambe buno ikiongozi kya gusi as we speak elders tinda ranga gose mwachire out to speak about Dr. King Fred Matiang'i's candidate chavija lakini kwanza ningotelnete the elders umugakurate nina cha kwane egento mpaka abantu bagotegera umugaka bwa maskani bono Matiang'i agote no president kama wanyoro mugusie kiongozi ge kumuramanga na ngombe ko kamu ngombe litoro na era bono ikansira o define Matiang'i ningo era ngombe ki kama wanyoro musubati kuchemsha manyi women rep literally go come out kurama Dr. King Fred Matiang'i ngonde bwensyo koleto bugambi gusiga nga one time ntutaitibo nyoko me have to say it njamukogoti have to just say it the way it is. It is not good at all. Kaitu kurus the elders baito who can sit down and solve some of these things. Chitavana tuko kwanu. Even to bitavana tuko kwanu within the society ya usi. Matiang'i kora maiso marale. Dika ako support go akoramu. Kwa manya konyoro muntu buna umugambi ochore gusi. Uruche kabisa gusi atebire abantu batanga bachirange na Matiang'i nera bate to support this time round no gusi bamwe chinguru. Kwa manya konyorango vyongozi vya gusi abandi batanga nabo abanogele buna simbarati. Umuntaro monogele gusi nendo ba Judas Iscariot. Umako muko tebanga Matiang'i bado taraba. Nchiraki. How? Kai elders bali bai karansense abagusia bagambi bonse pipa batebinga direction toko genda neji ibintu byokolekana nebi. Where are they? Omugusia tete ko chamu. Lakini elders mbaracha sigete pas speak the same language bakwa nechi sokoro bachitebinga gusibono twamwele ngo chatoramba banye na nemboli. Lakini where are the elders? Are they functional? Generation ye to tera benefit from the elders. The answer is mine. Generation ye to tera benefit from the elders. elders balivaro wake up. Onye mbayo, let's have elders that are functional. Boni kama tiangtara announce party. But very soon nacha announce. Kako announce yata eve Jubilee. Osata eve UPA. Elders in kaibali ko sementi chance pata eve nga omondo kwa na kusi matiang. Asiboni ko tata eve neji. This time around elders vai to mon spe pata eve muchi atoroji. Kikwa nukuru mpaki binyoro imme. Where are the elders at this time? Keraba ikuwe bachu kuamua nguchi atoroji. Muchi morichi elders bao. Keraba sigizi bachu kuamua nguchia. Muchi baro leba kosoke siku pa kukwane robo gambe wao. Keraba mansai bachu kuamua direction tuku ira neji. Muchi morichi elders chikosoka. Intu abaitu kusinga imule. Ntu wale viongozi vye kanza kabisa vantu kwa bachilde chagusi. Pago cha wako castigate Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i. Pago te yava ndonga mbali wa Kenya. Nga Matiang'i abera ngumba. Nga bali bara Amerika, mbali wa Kenya, bavero. Pake kanisa kuruana siasa, ase siasa. Nga ichilde chagusi chirichira te viongozi vye kanisa. Na vanachi kawaida, abatevi nganu, iga na iga manga na vantu kukuraki. Kova. Childers chagusi yaba kaka bali small. Onye mbayo let us know ne vijana tolete childers. Vijana vya ledre Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i. Aba kaka na ubadu robo konguboniga kuchama kusupport Matiang'i. Doraga apuko. Apuko nera kabisa utakito kwa Kanachi TV hata yabna Matiang'i atarate yanga hata nga Matiang'i tarate yavangu vule president. Umugako ventu ikarasa sate vijana a direction ni mwere yoka leta kusiamo mbiyamule but bona wako Kanachi TV me wa castigate Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i baba poka banyana. Where are the elders? Boni iga governor ya Kisii County dego support Matiang'i. Governor ya Nyamira ndoma itia Savert. Nkaichi elders chire tafu chigavani chiamo chivata vinga no, this is the direction. Kere conflict jela among its leaders. Ingo solve. Where are the elders? Viongozi vya usi siku hizi bagata mechere ni chingende unaona alinya livali chacha. Nkai tokonyo le elders kire kiongozi ya kolegas kiara ngirusa elders kiabuli kuna ki imya kebere kwa bere robisi. Ngas kiwa koreki kwa letre kusia magenda ki kwa letre. Pano bananchi babu ati mundu bakote babu ati mundu bakolera viongozi bika sene kuragira na gotenenga. Ayo manaro chwa gati nyumba ali nene kabisa. Huku mimi yake bere ya beire mujumbe. Enyumba yeji million yeji Jonesby indiangi ate kwa gacha. Chibeza cha bananchi. Mbiashara kiera gukora. Nende tali yamo. Mbiashara kiera gukora abantu batali gukora. Let us have the elders come out. Magendero tayo gusi juzi naro chaka skuru ali korukisima I think kaku kaisidi governor evento kwa gacha lakini ngaraga choka skuru ako ndubate MP MCA women rep a senator lakini that school has not been done gusie akanyomba katago gete ne baka maumo akamaumo katago lirondo lingobweli childers ngai chire to report abayibuli baraso ke batena ki yaya aya edirite to se childers to chitevinga ki to konye school ya klek yaga chwe. Where are the elders? On the comment section suggest what we need to do. Abagaka suggest